warm welcome. We got Sam officials. Give it up for Sam. We got Ian on lights. Give it up for Ian. And we got Grant on the laser. Give it up for Grant. We got Crazy Pyro Pete on fireworks. Give it up for Pyro Pete. Then we got some other people that are really fucking important to us as well, that make this night super extra special. Without them, there will be no show. Do you know who I'm talking about, Miami? I'm talking about you, Miami! Give it up for yourself!